Okay guys, so what we have here is Samsung Galaxy Note 8, and you can see that it's a December 2018 model. See that? So this is only an unboxing video, so let's straight go for it. You can see that it's a nice box. It's really nice. Here they have the serial numbers and IMEI Midnight Black. You can see that the model is Midnight Black. So let's open it. It's a 64 GB. Oh, it's really nice. See, it's a really nice case. It's very beautifully done, and you have a seal here, sealed one. It also says it's a only Indian SIM card only, so it's meant for India. It's meant for India. So you can see that how it is. See, it's a beautiful one. It's really beautiful. Anyway, so let's open the box. Oh, we have to remove this seal. My knife is not sharp. I'm sorry for it. I didn't really check the sharpness of my knife. So that's it. So you can see that there you go, you can see the baby, the real one. So there it is. I don't know. Okay, it's nice. It's a nice phone. You can see that. It's a, it's very nice one. So let's see what's there in the box. So that is the SIM card ejector pin, and I think you have something here as well. Oh, you have, oh, beautiful. So in case if you want to start without a cover, you have back cover, clear cover. See, it's beautiful. So you have a back clear cover now, and there is a manual, quick start manual. It's a guide, and what you have here is the charger. It's meant for Indian, electric. It's an adapter. It's meant for Indian, country India, and you have You have something here. Oh, beautiful, beautiful. This is something really, really interesting. You can insert your USB directly into this because you have a C, and here you have the USB where you can connect your regular USB. And then again you have one more. It's beautiful. See the way it's. So you get a lot of accessories with this. You can connect a C with C. I think so because I'm not good at all this technicality of all these things, and it's really beautiful, beautiful. They have very beautiful stuffs inside. See the earphone, the cord is beautiful, very, 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 it's very nice. It's really, really nice. you know it's beautiful. Then you have uh, I think there is a fabric or something. Oh, yeah, there is a fabric, I think. No, no, no. This is for the ear. Again, for the earphone. And then you have, see, can you see that? This, it's the nib for the S Pen. It's not very clear. My camera needs. It's a A7, Samsung A7, which is taking this video. So the clarity is not. It's not focusing much. Anyway, it's a nib, and you have something to plug the, the nib from the S Pen. So that's it. So you have the cord here for charging. So that's all. So the unboxing is done, and that's what you get. This is the beautiful. This is a beautiful one. This is really beautiful. And you know what? This is the beauty of it. The S Pen. It's really a beautiful gadget to have. It's really nice, worth it. So that's it, guys. So maybe I'll make one more video about how it works and other stuffs. Yeah, thanks for watching. Thank you.